What's up, people? Once again, it's your boy, ThaBlackCobra. I'm back with your gadgets, your games, and your gear. So today, I got a quick one for you. Today, we're talking about this U-style grip handheld stabilizer. Is this the best handheld stabilizer for you? I'm gonna give you some facts and some details, give you some specs, let you see what it can do, and then you tell me. We gonna get on it, we gonna get under it, we gonna get into it. Let's go. All right, here we go. So first up, we're gonna start with the grip itself. They call it the Z grip because it's by Zeadio. Zeadio Video Action Stabilizing Handheld Grip or Handheld Stabilizer. That's what they call it. You can see these all over Amazon. There's tons of different iterations of the same product, but this one's made by Zeadio. Now, it's a simple construction. It's not very heavy, it's super light, it's plastic. Screws are probably the most metallic thing on here. The grip itself is, like I said, it's a U-shaped, and it has a foam overlay or wrapping around it. It has the finger grooves along here, the finger grooves that allow you to grip it, and if you're going to be holding it for a long time, it makes it comfortable, but they make it comfortable back here as well. You can also utilize the front here if you were gripping it so that you could make it super stable. You could utilize both of them to make sure that you get the grip that you need and you're not gonna lose this thing. And it's not gonna slip on that perfect shot that you may get or be trying to get. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna take this universal, it's a cell phone mount. You can grab this on Amazon as well. Very simple mount. There's so many different iterations of it, and all of them, any of the mounts that you see that have the 1/4-20 on the bottom, you can utilize with this. Okay, so we're just gonna mount that on the bottom here. Okay. What I like about this is all the different holes. If you notice, all the different zigzag holes that are down on the bottom here, all of those are different spots that you can mount this. I could twist this sideways if I wanted. I could angle it over this way or over that way, depending on what I'm mounting on here. Okay, then I'm gonna take my iPhone XS Max and I'm gonna leave the case on it because this allows me, it gives me enough room to keep the case on it. Then I'm gonna mount that in here. Okay, then I'm gonna take my light. This is the Neewer CN-LUX 360 LED light. I'll link this down below also. It comes with two shields, the regular daylight shield and the amber warmer light shield. It runs off 3 AAA batteries, and this light is very small and compact. It does the job nicely. We're gonna slide this in the cold shoe mount here on the side and tighten that up. And then we're gonna take our microphone here, which is the Movo VR10 universal video microphone with shock mount and of course the dead cat that comes along with it. We're gonna take the microphone and the shock mount and we're gonna mount those right in the top of the cold shoe. Then we're gonna take our cable here, and this is a VRRS cable, so that you have the cell phone end, which is what you need when utilizing a microphone directly into your cell phone. Clip that in the back here. I'm gonna wrap the cable around for a little unique cable management. And then I'm gonna pop that in the cell phone with the adapter that comes along with it. I can pop this on if I want or not. Now, to utilize this, it's very simple. There's nothing else to do. That's it. It's all together. Now, other than this, there's options. And that's what I like about this, because it also gives you a lot of options. Okay, with this, I could also mount my DSLR right here. I could mount a mirrorless camera here. It's big enough that you could fit whatever you needed in here and then put the accessories on the top and mount it how you would like it. Okay, so cell phone, GoPro, DSLR, mirrorless camera, whatever you need, you can mount it right on this rig. Okay, one of the things I wanted to tell you is that this triple shoe mount that I got here actually came on this arm, and that triple shoe mount sits here, and then you can mount this on the bottom. I used it for my Giant Smooth 4, but you could use it for any grip that you may have that you want to extend out to the side, to the front, and add this triple shoe mount to. This actual grip came with a single cold shoe mount that was mounted here, but I wanted 3, so I replaced it. This also comes in different versions with actually bigger ones of these in there, and they have a different design. They even have a design so that you can take the cell phone and mount it up top. I'll link all of those, the different versions, in the description down below. Now you could also utilize some glass on this, which is what I like. I could pop this wide angle lens right on the end, and that wide angle lens can be utilized. It's not in the way, doesn't cause a problem, and it's easily usable. And I like that because the cell phone, when you put it in video, it has a crop factor, it zooms in. This wide angle lens will give me that back. So I appreciate the fact that they put this, or they give you the ability with all the room that you have around this grip. Now other than that, we also have, this is the Yellowit GoPro mount. This mount allows your GoPro to look like a cell phone. It puts it in the guise of a cell phone, and it gives you the ability to use any cell phone mount now with your GoPro. So this can be mounted directly on this grip, just like your cell phone is mounted, and then you have your GoPro mounted the same way. One of the other things I wanted to mention is that it has the 1/4-20 screw on the bottom. You could mount this on a tripod, and then that tripod would have all of these accessories being able to be attached to it, and that's another utilization of this. You could also, if you had a good extension rod or extension pole, you could mount it on the end of that, and this is light enough that you could use this on the end of an extension pole. That's just another option that you could utilize with this grip. So there you have it. That's it. That's the U grip, or the Z grip by Zeadio. Is this the best handheld stabilizer? Is this the handheld stabilizer for you? I don't know. I gave you a little idea of what you can do with it. You tell me. Pop some comments down below and let me know. Is this grip for you? I know it's not new, and I know it's been around for a while. I know there's a lot of versions of it, but is this something that you think you might use? Let me know. So that's it. As always, if you like what you heard here, you like what you see, go ahead and grab it down below and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you can be notified every week when I make videos. I am going to aim for every Thursday or Friday. One of those 2 days during the week will be the day that I post videos. If you are interested, you want to hear what I have to say, you want to join in the conversation down below, just come back and see us next time. You can also use the hashtag gadgets, games, gear if you want to continue the conversation. If you want to show me something that you are interested in or something you think I might like. Hashtag gadgets, games, gear. You can use that hashtag and I'll check out what's there. If you like what you see, come back every Thursday or Friday, because those are the days when I post videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Right, here's me using the rig with the wide angle lens, and I'm simply holding the rig in my hand. This is without an extension pole, without anything else, and you can see what you can get. So bing bang boom, I'm done. That's all I got for you in this one. Until next time, see ya.